are 5 apps or 5 websites that can give you free AI images. So some of you don't know that African Folktale channel is like a gold mine, because not everybody is in this niche, and it's a good way to monetize your channel and make thousands of dollars, and it's a good way to reach 1,000 subscribers fast and 4,000 watch hours fast. So here are 5 apps or 5 websites that can give you free AI images. Number one is Leonado.ai. Yes, number one is Leonado.ai.
So go to your browser and type in www.leonardo.ai. So let's do that already. When we are done with that, it will bring us to this interface. I'll just go ahead and click this one on the bottom, and then it will bring us to this place where it says get started. Click on get started, and this is it. So for us to create it, we have to click on create new images. Yes, for us to create the AI, we have to click on create new images, and it will bring us to this interface. So let's go ahead and change the settings to 16 by 9. Yes, let's go ahead and change it to 16 by 9. Now after we are done with that, we'll now go ahead and generate and type in our prompt. Yes, we'll go ahead and type in our prompt. So if you have any prompt you have in mind, you just go ahead and type it. For me, I use ChatGPT to generate my own prompt. So let's give it time to load. Let's give it time to load. Give it time. Voila. This is one of the images I could come up with, because I want to do this tutorial. So for the purpose of this tutorial, this is the image I could come up with. So I'll go ahead and download it to my device.
So number two on my list is Meta.ai. Yes, I know that some of you does not know that Facebook has an image generating app or website where you can generate free image. Yes. So Meta.ai is available, and one of it is that it's the best for me. Like, I feel like it's the best because the colors are top notch. The colors is top notch, and it gives you almost perfect to nothing.
So on your browser, type in meta.ai. Yes, type in meta.ai, and to bring us to this interface. Then we'll go ahead and click on that one. Yes, we'll go ahead and click on this one right here, and it will bring us to this interface. Said, so you can go ahead and input any prompt in this space that they write ask me anything or ask Meta anything. So I'll just go ahead and input my prompt, or the prompt I want I want to use for this video. So a quick reminder, guys, for them to allow you to use their website to generate any AI images, you have to log in. You see that you use your email or use your Facebook account. So for me, I used my Facebook account to log in. And then I want to also let you know that you might experience some hiccups, because seriously, me logging into this place and generating these AI images was not a child's play. I had to wake up around 12 in the midnight to be able to do this. So I'll just go ahead and type in my prompts. So I just want to let you know also, please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, do subscribe, because the plan is to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of this month. So I'm begging you, if you have not subscribed, just go and do it and subscribe. So let's go ahead and put in our prompt. Now you can generate prompts from ChatGPT. Sometimes I use ChatGPT, sometimes I just use my head, depending on the kind of prompt or the kind of images I want it to generate. And remember, the more descriptive you are with your prompt, the more the effect, like the more accurate prompt is going to give you, or the more accurate image is going to generate for you. So try and be descriptive. So let's go ahead and type in when I'm done with that. So when I'm done with that, I'll just click on that arrow, and then let's give it time for it to load. Remember that you have to log in with your Facebook account or with your email address. So let's give it time for it to load and see what it comes up with. Okay, let's wait for it. It's taking some time. Yes, this is it. It's coming out. It's coming out. So let's see what it comes up with. Let's see. Let's wait and see. Wow, can you see that? Can you see how colorful these images are? That's why I say that Meta best. Like it's one of my best. Nothing you can tell me. See now. See images. So I'll just click on one of them to preview it. So if you want more edit, you can click on edit. But if you want to animate it, you can just click on this animate button and it will animate. So let's try it out and see how it is. So if you want to edit, just click on that edit button. See, it will bring another bar for you to type in what you want. Then if you want to animate, it will bring out another bar for you. So let's click on animate. I want to animate this image and see what it will give me. So let's do that. Let's give it some time. Okay, let's see what it comes up with. Can you see that? Can you see that? Who tell me say Meta is not the best? I'll just go ahead and download all of them.
So number 3 on my list is Canva. I know that some of you does know that Canva is also an image generation platform. With Canva, you can animate, you can edit, you can generate free AI images. Yes, free AI images. Canva gives you opportunity to generate 50 with 50 credits. You can generate free AI images.
So in your Canva app, you click on this three dot here. It will bring you to this place and you click on Magic Studio and let's give it time to load. So this is it. Now let me refresh your memory that with Canva you can do many things. You can create thumbnail, you can edit your Instagram post, you can do virtually many things. But what I don't like about Canva is that most of their apps or application here are paid. So but what we are using for this tutorial is totally the free version. Yes, totally the free version. We are not doing anything paid. So let's scroll down to this place where they said text to image. Yes, and then we'll click on it. Yes, and after clicking on it, it bring out to this interface. So let's click on try it out. We'll click on the try it out and then give it some time to load. So this is the interface. Now in here you can change the dimension to any dimension you want, whether 16 by 9, landscape, portrait or square. And then once you are done with that, we are going to go in and input our prompts. Yes, we are going to input our prompts. Now one thing I don't like about this Canva is that imputing 5 words is not going to be enough for the AI to generate the kind of image I want. But just for the purpose of this tutorial, I'll just click on generate and let's give it time to load and see what it comes up with. Okay, this is it. It's a little bit fair. I can manage. It's a little bit fair, but for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm just going to leave it at this. Though it's not exactly what I want it gives to me, but let me just leave it at this.
The next one is Microsoft Bing Copilot. Yes, this is my next favorite. Yes, I like this and it's absolutely free. You can generate as much as you want and it gives you also high 3D, in fact 3D high image quality. I kid you not, 3D high image quality. So this is the interface of the Microsoft Copilot app. So let's give it some time to load. So this is what the interface looks like, and I will say that if you are a designer, this app is like the go-to for any designer and any thumbnail designer, graphics designer. This app is like a go-to. So I'll go ahead and type in my prompt in this bar where they said ask me anything. So you want to be descriptive. I always generate my prompt from ChatGPT. Later on in my next video, I'll teach you how to generate prompts from ChatGPT. So I'll just click on send and let's wait for it to create the image that we gave it we gave the prompt for. So this is it. Let's wait for it to load. So I've done a detailed tutorial on how you can generate images from this platform. So I will link it in the cards or I'll put it in the description box. So go and watch that video. And the last but not the least is what? CapCut. Yes, I know that some of you does not know that CapCut gives free AI images.
So go to your CapCut app. Yes, and click on this place where they say text to image, and it will bring you to this interface. So I've been creating images from this platform. Now I want to advise you something. If you are this kind of person that is looking for something anime look, like if you know this anime, if you have watched Japanese anime, you understand what I'm saying. So if you are this kind of person that is looking for this anime look, then CapCut is for you. But if you are looking for like realistic, more realistic images, then you have to make use of Copilot or Meta.ai or other or Leonado instead. So let me just go in and input my prompt. Now I'll change the settings to 16 by 9 depending on the dimension that you're going for. Yes, I'll just put the settings to 16 by 9 and drag this a little bit for high quality. Yes, I'll just drag that. Then after I'm done with that, and I'll just go in and click on generate. So to give, I'm having some kind of hiccups, but let me just redo it again. Okay, this is it. So I'll click on generate and let's wait for it and see the kind of image it comes up with. Let's wait for it. Let's wait. So if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. So this is it. This is the image it comes up with. This is what I'm telling you. If you are looking for this anime look, then CapCut is for you. But if you're looking for more realistic, try other platforms. So I'll just go ahead and preview it and then save it to my device. I'll click on save and save it to my device. I do use CapCut sometimes if I'm looking for this anime look. So I'll just go ahead and save all of that to my device. Yes, I'll save all of that to my, though their image is not that great. It's not that great. I'll just advise if you are just starting up, Copilot might be the best for you.
So if you have watched up to this moment and you have not subscribed, please, I will advise you first of all was subscribe to this channel. So I don't want this video to be too long. I'm going to stop here. In my next video, I'm going to show you how you can create an amazing story, from the story to the image generation to posting and uploading. So I would advise for now you watch this video right here or you watch this one right here.